Model, 66 plate Fiat Doblò Cargo 1.3 MultiJet 16-valve 95 SX needs turbo Ulez compliant. Body, blue, panel van. Mileage, 92,435. MOT, the 30th of November 2024. Engine, 1248 cc 263 A2000. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing, engine starts instantly and idles correctly, straightforward. Turbo replacement job, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, parking sensors, aircon. EU status, Ulez compliant. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.